16.
Hi, I'm Ananya and I'm 15.
Our experiment for the Space Lab competition is something inspired and borrowed from popular film culture. Lightsabers and lasers in space is something you're all familiar with, but for our experiment, we've decided to experiment with something more reasonable. We're going to see what happens when we fire a bullet in space.
Disclaimer. Due to safety reasons, you may use a paintball or a BB gun, which propagates in the same way as a real rifle.
Hypothesis.
The cartridge in the gun already includes the required oxidizers, making it possible for the combustion to occur to create the right amount of pressure needed, namely potassium nitrate. In space, it would be inadvisable to fire a gun if you're unbelted, as we know that the Newton's law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, and you will be forced backwards. Method:
Hold a gun, pull the trigger, and bang. Expected results. The oxidizing agents in the gunpowder allow a partial explosion. For it to fire successfully on Earth, it does require oxygen to rush in and assist what then becomes a continuing burn. In space, this would obviously not be possible. On Earth, air resistance and other factors slow the bullet down. In space, we expect once the partial explosion has occurred, the lack of oxygen will stuff the burnout.
However, the partial explosion will have been enough to start the bullet moving forward, and the lack of air resistance will allow this to be quite fast once the bullet is moving as compared on Earth. And it will continue to move at the same velocity, that is, unless it comes under the influence of the gravitational pull of any other planet, and then it will gradually speed up. If, for instance, it comes towards the Earth, it would accelerate but would burn in the atmosphere before entering the planets.
However, we're pretty sure the bullet would eventually be affected by the gravitational force from another object in space unless it hits a spacecraft. Then you'd be in all sorts of troubles with the aliens. The bullet will, however, have a much higher muzzle velocity because of no air resistance. If whoever fires the shot is not anchored at all, he or she will be forced backwards at very low speed and almost certainly be tumbling.